Hey, it's Misty. I'm the owner of Behold Beauty Boutique, and I am expanding to some other programs like a craft program and a homeschool program. Wanted to share with you guys about an experience that I had with my daughter. She didn't like public school at all, and then we put her in GCA, which is because I'm in Georgia, but everybody has their K through 12 learning system. And that went okay for like 2 years, and then last year and part of this year, it was just terrible. So they had hired some new teachers and different things, and she had a terrible experience. They wouldn't let them wear their pajamas, and they had all these rules, even though she was doing it on screen at home. So I was like, there's got to be a better way to this. So I went to searching, and I found that every state with your education it's like Department of Education or whatever, has home study programs. It's completely legal. You don't have to pay for the program. Each state, their rules vary, but like in Georgia, hers is as long as she's in school for 180 days a year, and she has certain subjects that she has to do, and others are optional. And she could be in sports and that kind of thing, and that count as some of her points and stuff. But you don't have like a set schedule. So, if you want to discuss, how to set up your schedule and your calendar and your breaks and that kind of thing, feel free to reach out. I'm also offering a done-for-you package. I've got 3 packages, with different features where I do the work for you and have it all set up per your state regulations. So I hope you guys want to check this out, and it is made a tremendous difference in my daughter's home life, school life. She still gets her social skills. She's got friends that do my program, and they talk back and forth, and they kind of do school together and that kind of thing. And I make it actually like school for her. So, like I, make her feel special. She gets the school clothes to where she can dress up if she wants. She gets her lunch. We pack her lunch. We do all kinds of different fun things. We do virtual field trips and field trips out. We do all kinds of stuff just to keep her like she's in regular school, but without all the pressure of a teacher breathing down your neck. And she didn't do well with like testing and being on camera to test, and so we're doing other things. And then state testing for Georgia, she only has to test every 3 years. And most states are pretty lenient. Some don't even have to test at all. So they, suggest that you keep a portfolio of her worksheets, or their worksheets, and kind of keep it. Some require attendance, others don't. It just kind of depends on your state regulations, which I've got all those for every state. We can go up over that and set up, a time to meet and discuss your situation. Although I will say my spots are filling up very quickly. My calendar is very full. So if you want to get some more information and want to go over some things and discuss your situation and see the different packages and that kind of thing, and I'll also recommend like books and different things that you could use throughout the year, some of the things that I do, and look forward to meeting you. So just let me know. Fill out the form that's going to be attached to this video, and we'll set up a consultation on the calendar and go from there. So I hope you feel a little bit better, because, I don't like the school system. I don't like people breathing down my child's neck and making her cry and that kind of thing. But I still want her to get her education, but do it in a way that it helps everybody. So it's really fun, and, we can make it fun. And so just let me know and sign the form, and we'll get you on the schedule. Talk to you soon. Bye.